Prokaryotic cells. The prokaryotic cells are represented by bacteria, blue-green algae, mycoplasma, and PPLO. Pneumonic-like organisms. They are generally smaller and multiply and rapidly than eukaryotic cells. They may vary greatly in shape and size. The four basic shapes of bacteria are bacillus, rod-like, coccus spherical, vibrio comma-shaped, and spirillum spiral-shaped. The organism of prokaryotic cells is fundamentally similar, even though prokaryotic exhibit a wide variety of shapes and functions. All prokaryotic have cell walls surrounding the cell membrane except in the mycoplasma. The fluid matrix building in the cell is the cytoplasm. There is no well-defined nucleus. The genetic material is basically not enveloped by a nuclear membrane. In addition to genome, DNA, single chromosome, circular DNA. Many bacteria have small circular DNA outside the genome DNA. The smaller DNA are called plasmids. The plasmid DNA confirms certain unique phenotypic characters to such bacteria. One such character is resident to antibiotic. In higher classes, you will learn about the plasmid DNA is used to monitor bacterial transformation. With foreign DNA, nuclear membrane is found in eukaryotics. No organelle-like ones in eukaryotic are found in prokaryotic except for ribosome. Prokaryotic have some unique in the form of inclusion, a specialized differentiate form of cell membrane called mesosome. The characteristics of prokaryotics. These are essential enfoldings of cell membrane. Next is cell envelope and its modification. Most prokaryotic cells, particularly the bacterial cells, have a chemically complex cell envelope. The cell envelope consists of tightly bound three-layered structure. The outermost glycocalyx, cell wall, plasma membrane. Although each layer is envelope formed of distinct functions, they act together as simple protective unit. Bacteria can be classified into two groups on the basis of difference in cell envelope and the manner in which respond to staining procedure developed by Gram-Wix. Those that take up the gram stain are gram positive and the others do not are gram negative bacteria. Glycocalyx differs in composition thickness among the different bacteria. It could be loose sheet called the slime layer, while in other could be tight and thick cell capsule. The cell wall determines shape and cells also provide a strong structural support to prevent bacterial from bursting or collapsing. The plasma membrane is selectively permeable in nature and interacts with the outside world. The membrane is similar structurally to that of the eukaryotics. A special membranous structure is the mesosome, which is formed by extension of plasma membrane into the cell. The extensions are in the form of vesicles, tubulin, lamellae. They help in cell wall formation, DNA replication, and distribution to daughter cells. They also help in respiration, secretion process to increase the surface area of plasma membrane and enzymatic content. In some prokaryotic like cyanobacteria, there are other membranous extension into the cytoplasm called chromatophore and contain pigment. Bacterial cells may be motile or non-motile. If motile, they have thin filamentous extension, the cell called flagellae. Bacteria show a range of number of arrangement of flagellae. Bacterial flagellum is composed of three parts: filament, hook, basal body. The filament is the longest portion extended from the cell surface to the outside. Besides flagellae, pili, fimbriae are also structures of the bacteria that do not play in motility. The pili are agglutinated tubular structures made up of a special protein. The fimbriae is a small basal-like fiber sprouting out the cell. In some bacteria, they know help to attract bacteria to rock in steams and also the ribosomes and inclusion body. In prokaryotic, ribosomes are associated with plasma membrane of the cell. They are about 15 nanometer to 20 nanometer in size and are made of two subunits, 50S and 30S units, which present together by 70S prokaryotic ribosome. Ribosomes are site of protein synthesis. Several ribosomes may attach to single mRNA to form chain called polyribosome. The ribosome of polysome translate the mRNA into protein. Inclusion body is a material in eukaryotic cells are stored in the cytoplasm in the form of inclusion body. These are not bound by any membrane system and lie free in the cytoplasm. Example: phosphate granule, cyanophysium granule, and glycogen granule. Gas vacuole are found in blue, green, and purple and green photosynthetic bacteria.